The posterior is the whole answer, but sometimes you need a single number or a range. Summarizing the posterior gives Bayesian point and interval estimates. For a point estimate, just pick a center of the posterior. The posterior mean, the median, or the mode. And the mode is called the maximum a posteriori estimate, or MAPE. For a range, you report a credible interval. It's an interval that holds a chosen share of the posterior probability, say 95%. One common recipe keeps the central 95%, trimming 2.5% from each tail. And here's the payoff Bayesians love. A 95% credible interval means there's a 95% probability the parameter lies inside it, full stop. That's the direct statement people always wanted, exactly what a confidence interval could not promise. Recall the frequentist confidence interval. The 95% described the procedure, not the single interval. The credible interval puts the probability on the parameter, because to a Bayesian, the parameter has a distribution. Summarize the posterior with a mean, median, or MAP for a point, and a credible interval for a range. Its interpretation is the clean one, the probability the parameter is inside. Next, how the Bayesian and frequentist worldviews really differ.